might think it's common, but I hope you focus on what I'm saying. When I first saw you